Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to activate your ATM card with Canara Bank in 2025. Whether you're a new customer or just received a replacement card, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, the easiest way is through the Canara Bank mobile app. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store, download it, and log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards or Services section. Look for your ATM card details and select the Activate Card option. Next, you'll need to enter some key information, like your 16-digit card number, the CVV code on the back, and possibly your date of birth for verification. After submitting these details, the bank will send a one-time password, OTP, to your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP promptly to confirm the activation. If you prefer not to use the app, you can do this online via the Canara Bank website. Just visit www.canarabank.com, log into your account, and follow the same steps in the card management portal. For those who like in-person help, visit your nearest Canara Bank branch with a valid ID and your card. The staff will guide you through the activation process. A quick pro tip: always choose a strong PIN and never share it with anyone to keep your account secure. Activating your card is crucial for making withdrawals, online payments, and more, so don't skip this step. There you have it. Your ATM card is now ready to use. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.